table has arrived, and you already know what time it is. It's going to be an unboxing video. I ordered this table from Walmart. I desperately wanted a round table, and I just couldn't find one that I really like at the price range that I wanted to spend at the time. So this year I decided, you know what? For Christmas, I'm going to purchase this round table. I don't care. I just need this round table because I really want to change some stuff around in my living room. So I've been searching for this particular round table. I like the clean look. I didn't want one that was too dramatic in the space, and I didn't want one. I just wanted something nice and settled and something that I could spray paint gold. I purchased this from Walmart. It was on sale for $96. This table was very easy to put together. It took me less than 15 minutes to actually put everything together, and I did do 2-day shipping. It arrived very fast. It didn't arrive in 2 days. It actually took 3 days. It comes with the Allen key, and that's pretty much what you need. You don't need no other tools. Screwing things together is very self-explanatory. The only thing I did notice was the area that holds the glass. One of them was bent down, so I actually just took a hammer, as you can see in the video, just lift it up. Overall, I love this table. This table is so nice. Like I said, I love the clean look. The only thing that was giving me an issue was the color. As you can see in the video, it's brownish gold color, and that was not the color I wanted. I wanted more of a shiny gold, and of course that is an easy fix. You already know I'm a spray painting queen. I wish that I did buy this 2-layer with the glass in the bottom and a glass on top, but I was not willing to wait until January to receive it, so I just went ahead and did the top layer. But again, it's not a problem, you know. It's just, hey, I'll decorate less. Now I'm getting ready to put the glass on top, so let's see. Fingers crossed, this glass, nothing is wrong with it. Moment of truth, you guys. The table. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I did it, you guys. I love, love, love the width of it. So this is my current table right now. Oh, I don't know if you watch my other vlog, you will see that I spray painted. I was talking about spray painting the table silver. So this is it, silver. I didn't like it in the space. I feel like the silver was not doing anything for me. I'm going to put the table next to this one so you can see how it looks, like as far as the height. So the height is pretty much, this is the same height as this one versus this top one right here. So again, I'm gonna see about putting some legs, because I do wish it was just one, at least an inch and a half taller. So give me a second. It's taking everything from inside of me not to go outside and spray paint this table. I spray painted the bar card. So right now I'm in the middle of styling it. This is not how it's going to look. I was just playing around with some looks. Let me move these things out the way, and I'll put the table next to it so y'all can see the table, you guys, next to the IKEA table. And even it's still, like, I would say an inch lower than this one. So yeah, definitely. I mean, it's nice because this is it in front of the couch. It's nice, but I feel like it's a little bit low. But I already figured out what I'm gonna do with that. I think I'm gonna have to make a Home Depot run because I need this thing spray paint ASAP. I don't like this color, and I hate the fact that I have to go spray paint it. I'm gonna figure something out for the legs because I want it higher. I want it way, way higher. I need it to at least be where this one is at. What I'm thinking about doing is buying the draw knobs to give me height, like a crystal doorknob, like not doorknob, I'm sorry, draw knobs, and I'm gonna put it under. So I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna see if that works. If it does, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, you guys, I did it. I couldn't wait for tomorrow. So it's about 11 p.m. and I went outside and I spray painted, and it looks way much better. I mean, look, I had to let it dry. And let me tell you something, how God is so funny. because it seems like every time I want to spray paint something, um, rain wants to come. But I took my time. I spray painted. I gave it like 2 coats. I just have to clean the glass. I love it now because the gold. So now this gold match that gold. Once Christmas is done, I'm gonna move the tree out, and then this bar card will actually go in a place where the tree is at. But I'm in love with my table. Listen, a can of spray paint for $4 could make a difference. And I'll show you the spray paint that I use. So this is the spray paint that I use. This is one of my favorite spray paint to use. And listen, it gets the job done every single time. I was gonna seal it, but I've noticed when I seal it, it kind of dulled the gold a little bit. So I really want this shiny looking gold. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna seal it. If it starts darkening after a while, I'll just respray paint it. But for now, I want to enjoy this shiny, beautiful table. I'm not touching the perimeter of the table because maybe I don't know if some of the areas dry fully. Now with this table, it makes a world of a difference. Instead of the square, I'm loving I'm going to bring in this back chair in more. And I'm loving my living room. You know, I'm loving, and if you remember, I spoke about this in one of my videos. This is of course I got to center everything, you guys. So nothing is centered, nothing is fixed yet. But this is an actual tablecloth, and I use it as a rug. It's really tough. So it really reminds me of one of those Regal type rugs. So it worked. And I love it in the space. I love it for this holiday decor. So listen, you got to think out the box. Because something was made for one thing, that don't mean you can't use it for something else. That's just how I look at life. So this is the table. I'm just going to play around to see how it look with the stuff on it. I'm going to enjoy my table. So stay tuned, you guys.